My name is Veerle Malot and I work as an associate professor at the Institute of GROW. It's a school for oncology and reproduction, and I work here at the MUMC in the Department of Pathology. Now, my group focuses on the role of the enteric nervous system in the context of colorectal cancer. So to explain it a little bit, I think we all are familiar with a first brain. It's here and it looks like this, but we also have a second brain in our gut, and that's not everybody's not familiar with that. So it's hidden in our gut and it can work independently from our first brain, and it's also quite big, and therefore it's called the second brain. And it has a big role in the function of the gut, so it regulates motility and secretion and everything. And it does that by communicating with other cells of the gut, like muscle cells or immune cells. And we found out that the enteric nervous system, our second brain, is also able to communicate with cancer cells, and thereby they increase or they are promoting carcinogenesis. So that's where we focus on with our group, and that's my research line. The goal of the research is long-term is to help cancer patients, of course, and to find new therapies. But for now, we focus on how these two cell types, so the neurons and the cancer cells, communicate, and we look more at mechanistic insights in that communication. I think you heard there's a lot of pressure on the academia, and they talk a lot about workload. Honestly, personally, I don't think that's the biggest issue. I think it's the academic climate, because there's a lot of high expectation and a lot of competition within the field, and I don't think that helps students and staff, meaning like it makes them very uncertain and they don't grow. And I think we have to change this, and we have to make this more a climate where people seeds to flourish, or give them wings to fly. And being an MYA, I think we can make little steps and little difference. So, and it's a really enthusiastic group of people. So that's why I joined.